Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a reverse proxy on a VPS with Nginx step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a VPS set up and running a compatible Linux distribution, such as Ubuntu or CentOS. Connect to your VPS using SSH. Log in with your username and password or SSH key. Update your package manager to ensure all existing packages are current. For Ubuntu, run the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. For CentOS, use sudo yum update y. Install Nginx with the command sudo apt install Nginx for Ubuntu or sudo yum install Nginx for CentOS. Once installed, start the Nginx service using sudo systemctl start Nginx. Enable Nginx to start on boot with the command sudo systemctl enable Nginx. Now, check that Nginx is running by visiting your server's IP address in a web browser. You should see the default Nginx welcome page. To set up the reverse proxy, navigate to the Nginx configuration directory. For Ubuntu, this is usually located at /etc/Nginx/sites available/. For CentOS, you may find it in /etc/Nginx/confd/. Create a new configuration file for your reverse proxy. Use a text editor, such as Nano or Vim, to create the file. For example, in Ubuntu, run sudo nano /etc/Nginx/sites available/reverse proxy.conf. Add the server block in this file to configure the reverse proxy. Start with server to define the server block. Next, specify the listening port, usually port 80 for HTTP. Add listen 80 under the server block. Set the server name directive to your domain or IP address with server_name your_domain.com. Add the location block to define the reverse proxy behavior with location/. Inside the location block, use proxy_pass http://target_IP_or_domain to specify the backend server. You may want to add additional proxy settings for headers. Use proxy_set_header host$host to pass the original host header to the backend. Add proxy_set_header x real IP $remote_address to pass the real IP address of the client. Save your changes and exit the text editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.